Medium-sized equipment bag designed to hold all your swimming essentials, made of open weave mesh for strength and quick drying. Replaces our top-selling Deluxe mesh equipment bag from years past. Shoulder straps for backpack carry with drawstring toggle closure to keep items together and secure in the bag. Primary zips are highest quality trademarked YKK zippers. Top reviews from the United States. This bag is perfect. My daughter, 6 years, just started swim team. This bag holds all she needs and then some. The main section is big enough to hold fins, kickback, goggles, swimsuit, towel, shoes and a change of clothes, and still has room left over. The zippered pocket is great for all her little things, shampoo, hair elastics, hairbrush, etc. I love that there is even a place for a water bottle. The backpack straps are adjustable, which is great because she is so small, but it fits her as well as it does her teenage teammates with just a quick pull on the straps. All her teammates have these, and we personalized it by embroidering her name on it. This is really a great bag. Update ******. Since my initial review, 3 of my daughter's swim teammates have ordered this exact bag and had me embroider their name in theirs as well. It's become the latest trend at their pool. I attached a pic to show how the bag looks with a simple embroidery. I also attached a pic to show the real difference of the 2 lighter blues next to each other, since it's hard to tell from the example pics. The bag on the left is the grotto blue, the bag on the right is imperial blue.